plan a last minute camping trip, you forget how much work it is. It's like, oh, let's go get out in the nature for a couple days.
Yeah, if Mrs D2S and I had to bug out in like a half hour if like a nuclear bomb went off, it'd take us 3 days, wouldn't it? All right, Maddie, what do we gotta do now? You ready? Okay, what about you? You wanna go camping too? Okay.
All right. Well, if we forgot it, we forgot it.
I'm gonna stop and get some food here along the way. Start with a quick GoPro
You got
quality.
sunglasses?
I got sunglasses on. You wanna go get some Mexican food? Okay.
This is a fancy restaurant.
It is, huh?
It's a fancy one.
We're gonna have some Mexican food here. What's it called? El Chorrito?
What's this?
El Chorrito and Malala.
What?
It's a busy place. What do you think, Maddie? How's your burrito?
I took French, so.
Pink sleeping bag. This is mine. Oh.
That is.
Dad.
You guys ready to camp or what? What are these things, huh? These kept you warm before.
But no thanks.
Look at this. Here, this is vacuum you up.
Put my arm inside.
Nice little spot.
You know, if you want more, I'll get you more.
It's pretty cool. You like it? Your favorite thing? What'd you find there, Ellie?
Rainbow.
A rainbow rock?
Wait.
Oh, wow.
Mama, it's a rainbow rock.
Ooh, neat.
Can I throw it in the water?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Can't do it. Ready? Go. Yes! This is a great one. Yes! Yeah, but I'm not.
Put about a tablespoon of olive oil in there so you can just kind
What are
of
you making?
pizza. It's going to need to be turned on here, so that probably is somewhere swirl that oil around in there. Just use your fingers to spread it out. This is either going to be really fun and really good, or a complete and total disaster. We'll find out in a minute. That's enough stretching. Kind of moving it around, make sure we get even. Dispersed heat here. It's starting to golden. Looks like it's working.
Yeah. Work.
Mom and Daddy,
What, darling?
I'm so excited at my camping trip that we're here. It's very good.
You like it, don't you, Ellie?
Yeah, I like it.
Isn't that good?
That's funny.
It is good.
Make the other one. And then,
What's your story like?
it is super good, actually.
Can't pizza show us like.
I don't know.
All right, Ellie, how do you like it? Thumbs up? Yeah. Say bye to Silver Falls. Say bye, Silver Falls.
Bye, Silver Falls.
Say bye, Silver Falls.
Say, it was fun.
It was fun. All right, we're gonna take off.